The Mega New Baby Chuck offers excellent runout with a wide range of tooling options. It is one of our core products suitable for drilling, reaming, tapping, and end milling. This system utilizes New Baby collets, the world's first etched with a AA grade that guarantees their excellent runout accuracy. Every New Baby collet is inspected twice to guarantee this accuracy. 40 millionths at the collet nose and 1.2 tenths at 4 times diameter. Good runout accuracy has a large positive influence on part quality, surface finish, tool life, and machine utilization. Let us show you how runout accuracy influences tool life in a drilling operation. Using a 118 thousandths carbide drill, cutting 472 thousandths deep into ANSI 1055 steel, tool life is considered over when the wear width of the relief angle measures 8 thousandths. In this example, 2.9 times more holes can be drilled with a more accurate tool. The New Baby Chuck offers excellent and repeatable runout offered with a wide range of tooling options to fully support your applications.